welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be preparing noodles for the kids. Okay, so right in here is carrots. So I want to chop this carrot into smaller pieces, then chop the carrot into smaller pieces and parboil it. I discovered that my son is no longer like when you slice on the carrots and all these green beans and use it to cook noodles for them. He will not eat it. He will be removing it. So now I decided to bring another method. You know, as a mother, you need to be monitoring your children, monitor your kids. For them to eat healthy, you need to put more effort. So when I discovered that when I use all those things to cook, you will not eat them, you will just remove them. I said, okay, I'm gonna try another method. Peaceful family, God bless you. You see, when you have anything you are sharing in this YouTube or any social media platform, just feel free to do it because you don't know people that are learning from you. Peaceful family has been sharing healthy recipes for kids, and I must tell you that I'm learning a lot from her. So that is it. Mommy Ifechi family, God bless you also, mommy. You're also doing great. I've learned a lot of things from you. God bless you. Please, if you're not following her, do well to check her out. She's also a YouTuber. She's our mom in this YouTube street. She's doing amazing. Okay? So I've already chopped all this now. I want to parboil it and blend it. Please. So guys, I just bring this down. Okay? So it has cooked for about 5 minutes. So I'll be transferring this into the blender. I'm done blending. I think I've gotten the consistency I want. So this is what I'll be making use of now. So guys, this is the noodles, okay? This is hot water for the noodles. I've not added noodles, okay? So I'm going to be cooking these 2 pack of noodles, okay? So this fried pan, I will be transferring the blended veggies into this, all right? So stay tuned, watch to the end. Don't click out. If you're just coming across this pretty channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that I do not miss any of my video, okay? So right in here is the blended veggies, okay? So stay tuned and see how this video is going to end, all right? So now I want to add the noodles. Sorry, my dear. Sorry, my son. I cannot carry you. I'm cooking. Don't watch cartoon. I've been taking the light. Hey, oh, okay. When daddy comes back, daddy will on the light. Okay, my son. So, guys, I just added the noodles. Okay. So, he's boiling pretty well. You see my son. He was watching cartoon. So immediately, NEPA took the light. He came to me and said, "Mommy, go and on generator." All these children, they don't know anything. They don't know the price of fuel now in Nigeria. So I want the water inside this to dry very well. Then I do what I want to do. I also add egg into it. Okay, because even my son now is no longer eating egg. A lot of work. Sorry guys, so I just added egg into this. When I was adding this egg, I thought I was recording. So I just added egg into it. Okay, I'm stirring together. Yeah. So let me stir it together so that it can combine very, very well. Why I check the noodles? You know, I love cooking the noodles to be soft when I'm giving to the kids. Because it's strong. If it is strong, they're not going to eat it. So I'll be putting half of this um Maggi. Okay, but I'll make use of the two pepper. So I'll just put half of the Maggi there. I did not finish one. You know it's two noodles. So but pepper, you know it has Maggi and the pepper. So I'll be putting all the whole pepper. Okay. Tell me if what I'm doing is wrong for the kids. Just let me know because I am a young mother. We learn every day. Okay. So right here the noodles is okay. So I'm going to sieve out the water. Okay. And leave it. So I'll just be dropping small oil into this vegetable oil. Cook rice. I should cook rice. No. Rice is not chopped again. So I'll be adding this little vegetable oil into this. Combine together. So guys, I just sieve out the water from the noodles. So I'm going to be adding noodles into this. I just pray this thing come out good. So I'm stirring together. Hey, I beg anyone that has, if you have any recipe for the kids, it can also be shared if you're a content creator, because we all learn here. As a young mom, we learn every day just to make our kids eat healthy and look healthy. Yeah. So I'm trying to combine it together. Please, after washing, please don't forget to tell me the truth about this. If the recipe is not okay for the kids, they can also tell me. Do not hide anything from me. And if it's also okay, they can tell me. Okay? Yes. I love learning good things. And I am a type of person that I listen to people's advice too. Okay? And as a young mom, I believe that is going to help me too. Okay, guys. This is okay. I'm going to allow it to just dry up a bit. Okay? But I'm going to test this one. Let me just taste it and see how it tastes. This is so good. This tastes nice. This tastes like Oyibo food. This is exactly Oyibo food though. This is how their food tastes. Oh no. No, these kids enjoy it too. I press so. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Okay. I'm done. I'm gonna be serving them this yummy delicious